Okay, party people. So today I wanted to talk about another EDC gear. You guys know that I'm always on the quest to find the perfect minimalist EDC bag to carry my gear all around. I know I already had a video with the Atom 8-liter pack, but the other day I was at REI and I found this guy. So that's a biker hip bag, but I saw that bag and it looked pretty nice. It looked like neat. I like obviously like the camel green color with the orange in the back, orange accent. I mean, it looked pretty appealing to me, so I got it. And let's see what we can fit in there, right? So bag, let's see what I can get. Got snacks. The other day someone put in the comment that I didn't have any snacks in my other EDC bag, so this time I got snacks. Okay, good deal. So snacks, AirPods, mouth spray, phone. My phone is gonna stay in my pocket, so I don't need to put that in there, but I'll leave it here. Leatherman skeleton tool, keys, cigar cutter, lighter, and a little Cohiba stand. So you just put it like that, put your cigar on top. So I don't have a cigar on me right now, but I need to go to the store and grab one. So that, what else? Okay, pepper spray. Okay, battery pack, Anchor, pretty good battery. And what you all are waiting for, P365, empty, nothing in it. Okay, all right, so let's see if this that hip bike bag is the ultimate minimalist EDC bag. All right, so first of all, let's go around and see how many packets we have. So obviously this goes around your hip, but I'm probably gonna put it on my hip or probably across my chest. So there's what's this? This an extension area with the cord if you want to attach something to it. Okay, this is my first time just actually going through it, so I'm going through the bag and discovering stuff at the same time as you guys. So little handle right here, and I think that's pretty much it for the outside handle. You can expand, it goes pretty far. That's pretty good. Alright, so let's go inside and see what we have. Two zippers with the handles here. Okay, inside we have main compartment and total of 1, 2. So there's a main compartment here, another one in the back here, nothing else, and we have a two little pouches in here. There's one here and another one here, and there's a little hook if you want to attach your keys in here. So alright, so let's put the gear. Alright, so let's put the gear inside and see how much stuff we can fit in here. So I'll start with the P365, once again empty. I guess I will put that in the back, like that. Let's see if we can close it. Not closing properly, so I'll probably put it this way. So it's in there. It's pretty nice. And access it like that. Close. Nice. Okay, we got the P365 in there. So what else can we put? Snacks. I believe so. If we don't have snacks, a packet, battery pack, fits nicely in the second packet, hopefully. Squeeze it a little bit, but fits in there. What else? I want to smash probably one more item, AirPod Pro, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. It can fit in there. I guess we can do different combination. If I don't put the battery pack in there, I can put other stuff in this packet. So I can either put the cigar stuff here with the mouth spray. And it works too. Perfect. I'm for the pepper spray. I guess we can squeeze it in there, but it's just gonna get in my way if I try to reach the P365, so no room for that one. But I think the configuration that I'm gonna go with would be this: battery pack, snack, AirPod Pro, P365, and that's it. It works. There you go. Minimalist EDC bag. That's the extreme minimalist EDC bag. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked the video. Subscribe, like, take care, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.